Okay, this is the K-Tek Boompole. Yeah. I think, yeah. Here's the K-Tek cable. Now let's test the connection. Okay, let's test pin 1. Pin 1 with here. These two no connection. This pin 1. Let's go to the center pin. I think it's pin 3. Pin 3 is here. Okay, these two no. And second pin. This one. Okay. So basically, this can be disassembled with another connector. Then you can turn this, get loose, and I think I still like this one. Yeah, you can just turn this pole. Make sure you don't twist the cable. Come up, you can see this is the cable. I think the most fragile part is the cable. You can replace it. Then put this back, turn this on, turn, yeah. Okay, so when you extend the cable, you extend it. Make sure don't turn like this way. You just turn from here, fix, and then release this one, go up, and then release this one, go up, tighten it. Just don't turn like this. If you don't do it correctly, the cable will too much pressure inside. And let's go further. It's already have some tension. Okay, and this is the last part. This way, yeah. The other way. Okay, that's it. It's very long. Here's the end. Okay, so release it. We start from coming back. this way. Okay, you will get used to it. One, tighten this up. That's it. It's brand new. Never used. Okay.